Lie on the back, please. Feel the touch with the floor. Stand the right knee comfortably. Leave the left leg long on the floor. Lift and lower the right heel from the floor. Pay attention to the knee. Which way does the knee move to? How does the pelvis move? Rest, please. Stand the right knee again. Lift the inside of the right foot. I mean, it is okay that the outside be lifted, but start lifting the inside. Pay attention to the knee. Where does the knee go to? Which way does the pelvis go to? Rest, please. Stand the right leg again. Lift outside of the right heel. Where do the knee and the pelvis go to? Feel it. Rest, please. Stand the right leg again. Lift right heel from the floor so that the knee does not go left or right but just away from the floor. How does the pelvis move? Rest, please. Do the same movement with the other leg. Stand the left leg, please. Simply lift and lower the left heel from the floor. Where does the pelvis go to? Where does the knee go to? Are those the direction that you thinks they go? Rest, please. Now lift inside of the left heel. Pay attention to the direction of the pelvis and the left heel. Rest, please. Stand the left leg and lift outside of the left heel. Where does the knee go to? How about the pelvis? Does the knee move straight or does it shake? Rest please. Do not let the knee go right and left but just go toward the ceiling straight. Stand the left leg again and lift left heel from the floor. What does the pelvis do? Rest please. Stand legs please. Lift the right leg once and then lift the left leg once alternately. Do knees go equally to the ceiling? Do you find any difference between the left and the right? Pay attention to the pelvis. Rest please. Once again, stand knees. Lift heels together and lower them onto the floor together. Which foot leave the floor first? Which heel gets back to the floor first? Do knees go to the ceiling equally? And rest please. Roll onto the stomach please. Direct the head either to the left or right. Stand toes of the right foot on the floor as if you start 100-meter race. Leave the toes of the left foot long. Simply transfer the right heel closer to the head. There are various ways to bring the heel closer to the head. One way is to push the toes onto the floor. You can use the power of the hip. Do it slowly. Rest please. You may change the direction of the head anytime you want to. Bring inside of the right heel closer to the head. How does the pelvis roll? Rest please. Stand the toes of the right foot. Bring outside of the right heel closer to the head. What happens to the pelvis? How does the spine move? Rest, please. Stand toes of the right foot and bring the heel closer to the head. How does the pelvis move? Do it quickly now. Rhythmically. Good enough. Rest, please. Please remember to change the direction of the head. Roll over onto the stomach to take a rest. Come back onto the stomach again. Stand toes of the left foot. Leave the right ankle long. Simply bring the left heel closer to the head with the knee extended. Pay attention to the movement of the pelvis. Pay attention to the spine. Rest, please. Stand the left toes. Bring inside of the left heel closer to the head. How does the pelvis move? How about the lumbar vertebrae? Pay attention to all those places. Rest, please. Change the direction of the head, please. Stand the left toes. Bring out step of the left heel closer to the head. What difference do you feel in the pelvis, lumbar and the spine? Good enough. Rest please. Simply bring the left heel closer to the head. Do you feel any difference from a minute ago? Is there any difference in the way you move? How does the pelvis move? Lumbar? Spine? Neck? Rest please. Stand toes of the feet. Left toes and right toes. Simply bring heels to the head and then return. Both feet together. The pelvis cannot rotate side to side now. There must be a different movement in the pelvis and the spine. Feel that. Slowly. Rest please. Actually rest on the back. That concludes the lesson on the stomach. Observe the way you rest and soon come to standing. Sit on the chair. Simply lift the right heel from the floor and return it onto the floor a few times. Where does the knee go to? Now do it with the other heel. Where does the knee go to? Does it go straight to the ceiling? Does it go left or right? Rest please. Lift inside of the right heel from the floor. Where does the knee go to? How does the hip move? Lift inside of the left heel. Rest please. Lift outside of the right heel. Where does the knee go to? Do the same with the left heel. Where does the knee go to? Pay attention. Rest. Lift inside and the outside of the right heel alternately. Where does the knee go to? Do the same with the left heel. Rest please. Lift right and left heel alternately, but knees do not go left and right. Be careful so that the knees go straight up toward the ceiling. This concludes the lesson on the chair. Stand up. Stand on the floor comfortably and lean forward and lift a heel until the other leg steps forward automatically. Do it alternately with left and right leg. Feel which part of the heel gets lifted first. That concludes the entire lesson. Thank you.